Many people are looking for a lasting and passionate relationship, often without success. For one reason or another, the break always occurs, and we find ourselves again alone with everything, a baggage of experiences and emotions that we cannot take advantage of to invest in a long-term relationship, partly because we have not learned the art of how to make a relationship work. What to do when faced with this kind of situation? Below are 3 healthy relationship tips to sustain your relationship. 1. Defining your expectations. It is important to define your expectations, both for yourself and your potential partner. If this is clarified from the beginning, the situation will be already much less complex, and you can then work to ensure that your couple is not lost in the routine, to put a touch of color every day, in short, to invest fully. While some women are continually looking for an impossible Prince Charming and believe that love must resemble the fairy tales produced by Walt Disney, men can just as well entertain unrealistic expectations. Whatever these expectations are, if they are unrealistic, by definition, they will bring about disappointment. Research in positive psychology has shown that it is better to have realistic expectations, and to be modest, as much as possible. This healthy relationship tips also applies couples. The best experiences are those that we live fully. Moreover, even if one is made to suffer and if one has invested too much and that the relation is a failure, one must bear in mind that the suffering is also part of the experiences of life. It counterbalances happiness and makes us to be aware of it when we are happy. So start without hesitation, do not be afraid of the unknown or suffer. It is high time to learn how to make a relationship work. 2. Keep your feet on the ground. Of course, it is not only a question of defining one's expectations, one must also be realistic, and realize that what one considers as ideal will undoubtedly remain an ideal. Know how to distinguish between the dream and the reality, between what you are able to demand of your partner, and what you have to concede to him. Thus, imagine to live in a castle in company of the to-be perfect, who will always agree with you, who will share all your values and bring you everything you need does not turn out to be something entirely achievable. You can, however, be happy and find someone who shares your view of life, but does not always agree with you. Diversity is a sign of wealth, and without it, one would be bored quickly. 3. Your complicity is foolproof. You manage to understand yourself through a simple look. The same jokes make you laugh, and you love spending time together, because you're sure to have more fun than ever before. You are as accomplices as you are in love. Between you, everything works, it's obvious. So try to find a balance and assume, this is how you will live happy and in harmony with yourself by learning how to make a relationship work.